Yes, my people, una dey see me again for episode 2. I can't lay another complaint. I just wan lay another complaint because wetin dey happen for Nigeria now we no understand again. This country don fold. They need to flit this country make everybody go outside oo. Because wetin dey happen for this Nigeria now, in fact, everybody now we no even know where we go enter now. Everybody need to dey run enter scatter now because you see this country now, maybe they need to divide this country into 17. Make they divide the country to 17, make all states dey on their own oo. Make everybody, man, woman, dey on their own. Maybe we go understand how things dey go for this country. Because na so lie they dey lie give us, we go dey swallow lie, we go dey chop lie. Lie na food. Wetin dey happen for this country? What is going on? People are dying. Mr. President, where are you? If you don't die, tell us. If you never die, let us know. Come out and say something concerning what is happening in Nigeria. Come out and talk. No let people dey talk for you. No let people dey answer. They say they put word for your mouth to talk. You are a man enough. You are the president. No, they dey like goats. It is unfair. We just recover from corona. Corona wey lock everybody put for inside house. Everybody just recover from corona of recent. Una lock us for like 6 to 7 months for house. Nobody get where to go. To chop na problem. Okay, una promise to share money for us when they work, more the house they enjoy. Una carry money, una begin the reason they take una children for university. Una begin when they use the money they build mansions, on they build hotels, on they build palace. Ogun na go kill una. Una no go make heaven. Okay, una say okay, na wan share foodstuffs. Una begin dey share rice wey be say custom seize. No be say una use una money buy those rice. Una begin dey share 2 cup, 2 derika for everybody. Na 2 derika wan reach us for months wey una keep us for house. No be even that one even carry me come here sef. God don do am, corona don go. Now una say na corona na wan bring come na be? Na corona na bring come this country, corona. Now I just confused. Now they make everything tire all Nigerian citizens. We Nigerian citizens, if you are watching this video from anywhere, share this video because people are dying. People are dying. We need to know the facts of where this country is going to. Now with the year say all those network marketing, those people they sell drugs, they are no more alive again. I want to address this message to forever. Those people they sell medicine, they sell drugs forever. Please, we need a supplement. Nigeria needs your supplement. We are dying. Give Nigeria supplement for free. Make Nigeria take. They need treatments. Make na treat Nigeria problem. We are dying. This country don't fold finish. Now person now they talk for Buhari. We will see Buhari for television. Buhari no dey there again. Waiting, dirty don't fool your ear. You know they say people they die. Buhari answer to us. Talk to the citizen. We go one fight for our rights. Now go to send army everywhere. Now go to send military for everywhere. And they pass this information because you talk, you die. You no talk, you die. Waiting be the next thing. They say vanity upon vanity is vanity. More they see truth, they talk am. Fella don't do it own, I don't kill on one side. Now waiting fella talk now and they happen now. No be so. Men are fear God. Men are fear God. Remember I said there's heaven and there's air. Heaven is real. Air is real. You when they hear me, so when they hear me, so when we say because of say you get one kind of money, you get big money, your money long. Person if you pronounce your money for your bank account, you use your money, they do evil. They use your money, they do bad. They wish people. They spoil people own. They spoil people own thing because of say you don't get money finish. Ogun ain't go kill you. Now Ogun go kill you. You don't make the money. You are a celebrity. You are a celebrity comedian. You are a celebrity actor. You are a politician. Anything where you be, where you turn to celebrity. You have the money to help people when you get, to support the masses, to support people when you get. Upcoming comedian, men and support them. Upcoming artists, all these people that they have good talent. Use your money to support them, to bring them up to achieve something. We are the one doing ourselves in this country. We are the one causing issue for ourselves. When you are ready to help your own person, things go better. if you ready to use your money to support people wey no get, we no go dey complain, we no go dey fight. You go see some people dey try to help upcoming actors or comedians to climb stage to get money wey dey get. They go dey request for money wey they go take chop bread and beans. Money wey the person wey you see dey struggle to find, person wey see dey struggle to get money go use dey manage im life. Una go dey say make you come use am to register, to come join your team, to join your group. Ogun na im go kill you, Ogun go kill you, Ogun go kill you. Dey chop your money. Remember say one day you go die leave that money. Remember say you go die leave the money o. You go die leave that money. You go die. Now people now my company now everybody now just dey thief pot of soup anyhow now, dey thief pot. If you put food for fire before you go back home, they don thief am because of everybody dey hungry. Hungry wan kill everybody. Hungry wan kill everybody. Now we no know wetin dey happen. We no know be police, we no know be SARS, we no know be army again. Na so some area boys beat one army man for my street this morning. The army man enter okada say dey go police station wan go report. Where this country dey go? Wetin dey happen? Last week ambulance jam somebody, ambulance run. Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey happen for this country? It is well o, it is well. Make una pass this video everywhere. It is a word of advice to all of you now wey dey hear me. We need to know what to do in this country. We need help. This country need help. We need help. We go fix this country. Everybody go outside. We go fix the country. We are tired. We are tired. Mr. Buhari, talk to us. Don't be like when you sit down one place, they look. Talk to us. Talk to us. We need you. Come and talk. If you don't die, tell us.